Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuli Soccer. Kaizer Chiefs versus Leeds United laphana eNgilandi. Igame iqale slowly ke mabasho laphana ku-match report yakhona bafethu uthi Chiefs iqale slowly but-ke baloke yakhula i-confidence yabo njengoba igame iloku iqhubeka and they started creating opportunities. But to go straight to the goal bafethu 29 minutes Thulani Touchmabaso, Captain Fantastic okwazile ukulishaya phakathi after-ke good combinations from ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs uManqoba Ozomene, Taunyane uye lo assist straight uThulane noPhahwe he was involved laphana ku-build up yale goal leli abakwazi ukulishaya. Sikhumbule ukuthi uThulane Touchmabaso ukorile even against Manchester United. Lo muntu lo is not even a striker, uyi-central midfielder but-ke laphana eNgilandi ngathi there's something emphushayo ngempela ukuthi akwazi ukusiza i-team ukuthi ikwazi ukushaya amagoli. Baqale slowly njengoba bengishilo ukuthi abaqalanga kahle but into okuthiwa bebastruggle ngayo kakhulu ukuthi esiswini oThulane Touchmabaso bebakwazi ukucontrol ibhola but-ke final third laphana ibe isolid kakhulu first half i-defense yalaphana eLeeds United. So i-Kaizer Chiefs beyistruggle laphana ku-final third. Bazamile uku-create ama-chances bathola nama-free kick oManqoba Ozomena but-ke kuthiwa ilokho njani i-Leeds United be-organize laphana i-structure sabo besi-good kakhulu bebakwazi ukukhilla off i-steam se-Kaizer Chiefs. I-Kaizer Chiefs mizama laphana ukuya phambili. So yizo zonke lezo izinto bebabhekane nazo laphana ezi-Chiefs. But-ke into engichazile ukuthi kuthiwa they were able to ukuthi ba-improvise leading up to i-goal baloke baya laphana phambili babonisa ukuthi ababasaba abafana be-Leeds United. Mawubheka-ke i-physique between the two khona abanye bakhulu ngomzimba mangibabheka abanye ama-giant but-ke njengoba ngishilo bafethu ibhola lidlalwa phansi alidlalwa ngomzimba lidlalwa ngani lidlalwa ngengqondo isikhathi esiningi yabo. So mawubheka abafana be-Leeds United ba-professional kakhulu-ke bona ngoba bahola iy'mali eyi-serious bafethu ezingaholwa naku-Betway Premiership but-ke imali ne-professional setup nani it doesn't matter makuyi-11 versus 11 bafethu abanye abantu bemisele laphana. Momentum-ke beloku ikhula ku-Kaizer Chiefs and then ba-edda i-pressure laphana beloke ba-attack-a. You could see ukuthi ama-players comfortable-ke a-confident laphana ngebhola and then but-ke i-Leeds United kuthiwa beyiku-half line yabo isikhathi esiningi but-ke i-defense yabo njengoba beyiku-good structure kakhulu bebakwazi ukucima umlilo we-Kaizer Chiefs. Sikhumbule-ke ukuthi i-Chiefs bafethu njengoba bengishilo ukuthi ngabe i-lead nga-3 goals but-ke bageje ama-opportunities amakhulu. Cause uThulani Touchmabaso was playing more of i-advance cause bekabonakala laphana phambili kakhulu than central cause bebona ukuthi i-defense Leeds United iyabona ukuthi isenkingeni, so they would rather be laphana emuva kunokuthi babe too advance babe cautious. I think first half i-Kaizer Chiefs bathusile noma bamangazile abafana be-Leeds ukuthi hayibo the South African teams isihlasela kanje kanti abazi ukuthi abafana bamini business laphana bazele ukuzobonwa ngempela. Asingeneni second half ithe iqala bafethu i-Kaizer Chiefs still ya-increase i-intensity of the game babonakala ngempela abafana ukuthi noma babonisa ukuthi bayafuna ukuyiwina igame bathole igol lesi-2 because of bebalida 1-0 but-ke just around 50 something minutes or early 50 something minutes ba-consider i-penalty. Abafana-ke belokhu njana be-Leeds United bafethu walishaya phakathi uHarry penalty azange adlale i-mistake obviously-ke bafethu consider i-penalty because of bekumele bakwazi ukuprotecta i-lead yabo laphana. Abafana baloke baqhubukile njalo but-ke bezama but i-Leeds United bafethu into eyenzile second half laphana kuthiwa uku-increase i-tempo of i-game ba-create ama-opportunities but i-Chiefs i-mistake yayo eyenzile laphana second half bebaluza i-control kuthiwa bebaluza amabhola unnecessary kakhulu and then leyo nto leyo inike abafana be-Leeds United i-confidence ukuthi baloke ba-attack babone ukuthi man there's something wrong ngale team le akusile team le bedlala nayo second half in terms of i-confidence baloke beza-ke bafethu abafana be-Leeds United kusho ukuthi i-dominance ye-Kaizer Chiefs yehlile because of it was a different Kaizer Chiefs in terms of uku-attack no-create ama-opportunities laphana first half if compared to i-first half because I think i-momentum ye-Leeds United bayi-stepe up mababona ukuthi bayakwazi ukukora or i-Chiefs inama-mistake laphana emuva njengoba bathole i-penalty laphana which asidlali la niyasho ukuthi i-complicate kakhulu i-Kaizer Chiefs babhekana nenkinga kakhulu because of bekumele ba-track back abafana beloke be-defend. But-ke around 70 minutes i-Chiefs yazama beyizama but-ke Sokunzima kakhulu bafowethu, i-pressure beyiloke izile laphana from i-Leeds United, bayifakile bapressa kakhulu abafana be-Leeds. Enye into engifuna ukuyi-mention-a bafowethu eyenzekile kule game le or ebeyikhona engiyinothisile ukuthi exciting. I-legend la ku-South African football bafowethu uLucas Radebe siyazi ukuthi usebenza lapha ku-Leeds United phesheya. Uyi-legend futhi la ku-Kaizer Chiefs, abe-legend la ku-Leeds. Bekhona kule match lena ne-SuperSport be-live laphana ku-Leeds. I think i-collaboration lena enhle kakhulu ukuthi umuntu owadlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs waya naku-Leeds ukhona laphana, i-presence yakhe I think izokwazi ukumotivate abafana ukubona ukuthi everything is possible ngempela ebholeni lase-Europe, ukuthi you can make it from just a South African football odlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs but you can make it to English Premier League. I think as much as vele sifuna ukuthi abafana baphushe bashaye amagoli, bangabi naleyo pressure that much, bakwazi ukuzirepresenta kahle laphana e-England, but at the end of the day bafethu i-learning curve i-tour nje lena la kumele bafunde khona but bazi-advertise kahle kakhulu, because of le tour i-Champions International Tour. Angithi bafethu bafana bazobuya-ke ngeyilokhunjana, what is this date, I think last game yabo ingeyi-6 or ingeyi-5 December, lapho nje ngizoyi-check ama-date laphana. Yes, imatch yabo yokugcina badlala ne-QPR ngeyi-6 December, angithi November, ngeyi-6 December, yes, bazobuya-ke lapho. But yeah, I think umfana osazi-advertise kahle kakhulu uThulani Touch Mabaso. It is just sad nyana kancane ukuthi lo match bayidlalela laphana behind closed doors, but isithemba ukuthi akhona ama-agencies nabanye abantu abanye ku-scouting department abakhona abakwaziyo ukuba ne-access ukuthi babukele abafana cause of ama-champions wase-South Africa. It shows ukuthi there's something special about le group lena ye-Chiefs, abafana bazirepresenta kahle kakhulu. I think with ama-details engiwabonayo lana, kusho ukuthi uManqoba ozomena udlalile bafowethu, from u-creator noma ukuba i-part of i-creation yale goli lokuqala to ukuthi aphushe laphana maqela igame laphana second half, ukuthi azame ngempela ukuthi i-team ikwazi ukuthola ama-results. So I mean, that's a good advertisement of i-South African football, Kaizer Chiefs as a whole, ukuthi babonise umhlaba wonke ukuthi bangakwazi ukulwa barepresente i-team kahle. Ekugcineni-ke bafethu igame iphele nge-draw ya-1-1, i-Kaizer Chiefs iskore first half, i-Leeds United equalize ngo-53 minutes second half. But yeah, i-Chiefs they are still undefeated laphana e-England, bayabonisa ngempela i-bravado persona nenkani yabo ukuthi-ke abafuni ukuluza laphana, njengoba bedlala nabafana bahola iy'mali ey'serious ey'nkulu lezi engikhulume ngazo bafethu ekuqaleni, but-ke abafana baya laphana nenkani yokuthi bafuna thatha i-Kaizer Chiefs bayibeke ku-global map, ukuthi nama-teams alaphana eNgilandi asho ukuthi ayikhona i-team esadlala nayo yase-South Africa, potentially khona abafana-ke abafiyo abangabathatha kwazi bani, because of bheka umfana ku-Stellenbosch uSmith odlalela i-QPR laphana sekakubafana bafana manje, bekayi-under 20, uyi-under 20 champion e-Africa odlalela i-QPR, bakwazile ukumsayina. Akuvelanga bamsayina manje bafethu, bambhekile ku-AFCON i-under 20 and then bambheka njengoba bebayile laphana ezi-Stellenbosch, noma nabo yibo bebaye previous season, babona ukuthi okay lo mfana lo good ngempela. So it shows ukuthi ukumisela kwabafana lezi kulama-competitions or kulama-international tour lawa nje, bamisela abafana bayakwazi ukuwathola ama-opportunities. I-opportunity abafana be-Kaizer Chiefs, let's hope kwenzakala something ngoThulani Touch Mabaso wafethu. What a general in terms of midfield. Remember ngiqala ukukhuluma ngaye abantu bangakamboni, but ubani lo muntu lo khuluma ngaye, and then they started paying attention ukuthi umfana uyi-superstar. uManqoba uperforme kahle kakhulu naye umfana, uzirepresente kahle, baqhubeke njalo-ke. So kusele imatch eyodwa yokugcina ukuthi badlale and then babuye ekhaya bafethu, bazospenda uDecember. Danko, cala ngakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe, making sure ukuthi Nkuli Soccer ufika ku-15,000 subscribers before kuphela uDecember.